The benefits of collagen are, let's start off with how it's going to help you in fitness and training. So your tendons and ligaments are made of collagen. So as you work out, you train, your body's straining your system, you can experience tendonitis or even like a tear or something like that. Your collagen is what your tendons and ligaments are made out of, so you need more collagen in order to build yourself back up. Hair, skin, and nails are also made of collagen. So same thing, if you want stronger nails, if you want better hair, better skin, you must have enough collagen as a raw material, otherwise your body, it's gonna struggle. And then lastly, even teeth are also made of collagen, but your body at age 35 typically starts having a half-life on how much collagen it produces. So you every year are going to decrease the amount of baseline collagen that you have. So by getting a collagen supplement or finding ways to get more collagen in your diet, you're going to tremendously notice an effect, as opposed to like maybe when you were 21, collagen was like, oh, why do I really need this? But your body actually has a harder time producing the same amount. So the more you can do to supplement with it, that's going to help a lot with overall hair, skin, and nails, tendon, and ligament health. Also, if you wanted to, look at how can I use collagen or what's the best way to get it, we have Fortify, our collagen at Kingdom, but any unflavored collagen powder, you could just add that to coffee. You could add it to another existing protein shake. You could add it to, a lot of collagens are hydrolyzed, meaning they're pre-digested, so you could throw it in with, your BCAAs if you needed to get a whole protein source. You were super hungry going to the gym, you don't know if you're gonna make it through. Boom, throw in some collagen with your BCAAs, good to go. There's all these different ways to get collagen in. I would just highly recommend getting it 1 or 2 doses a day, especially if you're already dealing with some of the issues that we talked about.